Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Dimple here again, welcoming you all to today's session on Android framework components. Today we'll see one of the important topic in Android called safe mode. So we'll see what is the safe mode in Android, why is it required, and how it helps us, how to enable and disable this safe mode. So why delay? Let's get started. What is this safe mode in Android? Safe mode is nothing but it's a feature, newly introduced feature on Android operating system, and it's used to solve problems with configuration or app incompatibilities. Restarting the device in this mode will load only the system's core applications. So it's an important debugging tool for all the developers on your Android phones. So what the safe mode basically to tell what is the safe mode in simple words is that when you are an application developer and you're debugging some of the customer issues, and there are third party installed apps on your device, so you need to somehow segregate that this issue is not caused from the customer app, it's core Android OS apps. In order to do that segregation, in order to arrive at that conclusion, we use safe mode in Android. So safe mode on your phone, like safe mode on computer, is the best way to diagnose any problems with your device. When we enter into safe mode, what happens is it blocks all the third party applications from running, and airplane mode will be enabled, sealing your device away from anything that it not ship with. Suppose you have a device and you're having example some issue, for example device heating issue. Okay, you're having device heating issue or there is continuous crash in the device. So that time, in order to debug such cases, what we do, we enable safe mode in Android. So what safe mode does is it will block all your third party apps. So it makes your phone look like how you got it fresh. Okay, so when you purchase your phone, how it was out of box, the same way all the apps which you have installed will be disabled, so that it's easy for you to understand. So if any third party app is causing this device heat issue or crashing issues, or it is issue with the Android application OS, so once you arrive at this conclusion, it's easy for you to further debug, right? So that's the importance of safe mode. If you notice your device speeding up in safe mode, then it's likely a third party app causing an issue. Okay, so suppose you have a device slowness issue reported from any customer, and once you enter into safe mode, all the customer apps and third party apps will be disabled, right? So once it is disabled, you can see your phone performance. So if your Android phone performance is speeding up, then it's concluded yes, this is caused by third party apps. So then one by one you can start debugging those third party apps to get at the real culprit who is causing the issue. So you can uninstall all the problematic apps and use your phone's core functions while in safe mode. We can just uninstall. We are just uninstalling the problematic apps, and we are using the core functionalities of our Android phone in our safe mode. If you find your issue is gone while in your phone is in safe mode, then you can either uninstall apps one by one and test it again in the normal mode, and again try to identify the problematic app, or you can factory reset your device and selectively install apps and other again all the apps again. So making sure to watch out for a recurrence of any problem after each install. So that is the way how you will rule out things and arrive at a conclusion as which app is really causing the issue. So if your device continues to crash, overheat, or otherwise perform poorly in safe mode, then the issue might not be with the downloaded application, but rather the OS or the phone's hardware. So this is how we basically segregate safe mode. We segregate if the issue is happening with a third party app or with the app in on our Android phone or with the system application. So how to enable this safe mode? So we have to swipe down okay, on your notification shade and choose the power options. And in that power, if you long press and hold that power off button, you can see safe mode there. When the device reboot to safe mode prompt appears, we have to click OK. So just try to reboot your device. There you should see an option. So this option for each manufacturer, it depends from your different manufacturers. So just try to reboot your phone and you should see the safe mode there. Your device will restart and you will see a safe mode prompt in the bottom left corner, and it works for most of the Android phones, though you may have to hold your power button to pull up or shut down menu instead of if you're not using the latest Android version. Okay. And to turn it off, so safe mode, once your device is restarted, safe mode will be turned off by default. So just you have to restart your device in order to turn off safe mode. So you can enable a safe mode, collect all the required logs, debug the issue, and yes, once you come out of safe mode, your phone behaves like before. All the third party apps will be there, and you can start using your Android phone. So that's small topic I wanted to show you all today. What is safe mode in Android? Basically, it's used by Android developers to debug issues. So if issue is still happening when we enter into safe mode, then we can just segregate if it's happening with customer app or it's Android OS app. So even if after entering safe mode, if issue is still happening, then it's really an Android OS issue. It's not happening due to any customer application issues, because in safe mode, all the customer apps will be disabled. I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you all soon in my next session. Until then, everyone, take care. Bye.